Metta Voyage has successfully organized the Vietnam Destination Training and Update Workshop and attend OTM India in February 2024. The Vietnam Destination Tourism Training and Update Workshop 2024 has been organized by Metta Voyage's team in 3 cities, Delhi, Ahmedabad, and Mumbai. Hosted by the CEO of Metta Voyage, Mr. Phan Trong Thang, and 2 guest speakers, Mrs. Kim Yen, Director of Sales of Hotel du Parc Hanoi, and Ms. Thu Jiang, Director of Sales of Essence Grand Cruise. The workshop aimed to promote and update the newest information about Vietnam tourism, as well as travel trends in 2024 to our partners in India. Especially from February 8th to 10th, Metta Voyage has attended the Outbound Travel Mart, OTM Mumbai 2024, the leading travel show in Asia. Through engaging discussions with industry peers and partners, we reaffirmed our commitment to excellence and explored new opportunities for growth and expansion. OTM Mumbai provided us with invaluable insights and connections that will undoubtedly propel us forward as we continue to enhance the service and operation quality.